candidates. I'm your competency assessor for Credit Phase 3 and C2. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our processing officer, Ms. Reina Aguila, and Assessment Center Manager, Ms. Tito Peli, and our test representative, Ms. Erica Miones. They here to oversee the assessment and ensure proper procedure and follow what they want to assessing you. Before we begin, please raise for a prayer. Take your seat. I have your own accomplished application form with self-assessment guide, which indicate you can perform all units of Credit Phase 3. I will collect evidence through demonstration or question and written test. This method will measure your undertaking knowledge and skills. If you have any question or concern about the assessment, please ask me now. I'm here to assist you. If you are found competent or you successfully pass the Credit Phase 3 and C2 assessment, our assessment center manager will inform you where to claim your national certificate within 1 to 2 days. If you are found not competent, don't worry. You can be reassessed at your convenience if the reassessment is the full qualification you undergo the entire assessment process. If you have a question or concern regarding your assessment result, you have the right to appeal the TESDA Provincial Office or the Assessment Center and the assessor are dates. I will now administer the written test. Please read the instruction carefully. You have 30 minutes to complete it. Once you're done, please pass your paper forward. Candidates, I will now administer the written test. Please read the instruction carefully. You have 30 minutes to complete it. Once you're done, please pass your paper forward. Okay, candidates number 1, please proceed to the assessment area. Other candidates, you may take a seat. Candidates number 2, please come forward. Okay, let me read the procedure instruction. If you have any question, you may ask them now. Once the assessment starts, you can no longer ask questions. Please be informed that there will be oral question after the demonstration. You may begin. How do you feel the assessment?
I'm fine.
How do you feel your assessment?
I feel nervous our assessment.
You will demonstrate excellent knowledge and skills, and I am recommending your certification. Please sign in this rating sheet and competence assessment result. Again, congratulations. How do you feel your assessment?
I'm not fine. I'm going to cry.
Based on my observation from your performance class, the result of your assessment is not competent. Now, I would like to sign the competence assessment result from Thank you and congratulations.